Hello, good afternoon from the UK, actually Jersey in the Channel Islands. I thought I'd hop on with a quick New York session update. So I was just going to go through the pairs which we have some OPRs on, leave the rest, so it might be slightly shorter today, but there you go. For your information, I've noted on each of my charts the correlation on the relative OPR. So as in, when we look at the graphs, we can ascertain a correlation as in how reliable that indicator is on each pair. So if you want to know, I've noted as anchored text on each chart what the correlation actually is. Okay, let's dive into it. Okay, so pound yen, we've got, let's have a look at the numbers. Pound yen, 33.40 plus 24. So it's not changed. So I was just hiding that. I've actually taken a trade on this. I didn't massively like the risk to reward ratio, but I did like the trade. So I took it. I don't recommend you take it. It's not your trade. When you have got your own system, then take your own trades. But this is not a signals channel. This is just me talking through my trading routine and my trading, if you like, ideas. That's it. Okay, right. So pound yen, pound CAD, which is here. So what we're saying is we don't have much of an OPR, and that's correct. Let's have a look at the numbers on pound CAD. It was 66. Pound CAD, 76. And we've got a 55% correlation, which is not great, 50, 55, but anyway, there we go. So that's pound CAD. Sorry, let me just do this so that we know what the changes have been since last time we looked. By the way, while I'm doing this, if you like these videos and you enjoy watching along, just for the lols, please give me a like, subscribe, and any comments, please, and click the bell for notifications. It really helps me not to be talking into the ether, to be talking to actual real people, and it'll help the channel, and you'll get more and more content. Okay, thank you. Anyway, let's have a look. So, pound Swiss. What numbers do we have for the pound Swiss? Bearish, neutral, plus 87. So we're in the same bucket, I think. So yeah, the relative OPR and the MA align, but no OPRs. And it's 55%, so it's not a great correlation, is it? Oh, sorry, on the wrong pair. Pound Swiss. 75% relative OPR correlation. We've got numbers plus 87, so it's on the rise, which it is on the chart as well, isn't it? You can see that. So yeah, 75% correlation. So 75% of the time this is correct. Again, I think we're still going up there, and then we might decide what to do. So the relative OPR and the MA match, the OPR doesn't. Perfect. Okay, let's have a look. Euro pound. Should be in the top bucket, I guess. Bearish, minus 92. We had a notional trade on the euro pound, if you remember from the last video. Yeah, okay, it's doing what we thought. So I'm going to give that a green line just to say we got that pretty correct. It came up here, collected liquidity, and now it's on its way down. It's a slow and burning trade, this one. It's dipped back into drawdown a couple of times. But that's, it's okay. We've still got our relative OPR numbers, and we've got a 75% correlation. We'll hang on to our notional trade. It doesn't do anyone any harm, does it? What did I say it was? 92. Slightly less bearish, but nevertheless. Minus 92. Okay, that's the euro pound. Euro Swiss is bearish, neutral, and plus 50. I think we're going to find it down here somewhere. Where are you? There. Oops. Bearish. Ooh. Okay. Oh, we're on the 4 hour. Yeah. So it's tapped up, tapped into liquidity. 50. So it's, again, long, strong. Where's it going to end? Possibly here, where our little marker says. But anyway, we'll keep our eye on that. Euro Swiss, Euro Singapore. Is it at the bottom still? Nope. Euro Singapore. Here we go. Neutral and minus 83. Oh, blimey. Euro Singapore. There, sorry. Okay, so we've got a few numbers on this now. What have we got? Neutral, but at minus 83. Okay, so it's slightly less bearish, but we've got a 4 hour Gator signal appearing on that chart there, and we've got a very definite bottom of the box. So we could argue, if we were taking the trade today, hence why I'm going to move this, that our stop loss should go there somehow. But yeah, the risk to reward on that isn't super duper, is it? But maybe we could still shoot for there one time, because this is it's gonna pop at this and then it's gonna go. I think that would be my estimation. So it's got the relative OPR and the OPR, and it's got the MA, so we're good in here. We might even argue that we're coming up to touch of that moving average. EuroCAD. EuroCAD neutral plus 5. Neutral plus 5. Where are you, EuroCAD? There. Neutral plus 5. Oh, okay. So look what's happened. We've gone from bearish. Oh, I've done it again. Sorry, I didn't select that chart. Plus 11 to plus 5. So it's not deciding what it wants to do. So I said that that was a risky channel trade, and it is. It's in drawdown still, but we can keep our eye on it. I wouldn't have taken it, but because it's in a channel, that's why I noted it on there. Okay, EuroCAD. Just want to go back up there. Yeah, pound New Zealand we didn't. So, sorry, EuroCAD. USD CAD plus 53, so that's getting less and less bullish. USD CAD for the moment, but haha, yes, plus 53. Same then, actually. But we might be turning our ideas around, because we do have an order block here on the 4 hour potentially. We might squeeze into that area, pop up into the channel, or do a dip down and pop up into the channel. But anyway, it's decision time, isn't it, for the Canadian dollar. CAD Swiss, CAD Swiss, here we are. So we might have lost the Euro Aussie from the CAD Swiss is, yeah, let's have a look. Bearish minus 22. Okay, so it's more bearish. Interesting. 59% correlation, so I think it's going to get up there, isn't it, and turn itself around. Okay, CAD Swiss, Aussie New Zealand. Where are we? Aussie New Zealand. Ah, yeah, we're in the minus 15. So it's going to be down here somewhere, I believe. Yes, because we don't have the relative OPR. Let's have a look. Where were we? Minus 7, so we're actually decreasing. Minus 15. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we've fallen out of our little... We might just come back and touch it tomorrow for a buy. Aussie Swiss plus 3. Where are you? Oh, it's going to be down here, isn't it? So we don't have OPR. Oh, we do, but we don't have a relative OPR. That's what I meant. So, no relative OPR down here. Okay, so, 61%. What did I say? Plus 3? Plus 3. Plus 4, we'll give it. Plus 4. Okay. Aussie Swiss. Not a lot to say about that. Aussie Singapore. Same sitch. Let's have a look. Aussie Singapore. Aussie USD. Aussie Singapore. Bearish minus 3. So it's gone slightly bearish. Just take that back because I don't want to lose those numbers. Okay, minus 3. Minus 3. Aussie Swiss. Should be there. Aussie Swiss, yeah, I think it's getting to the top of the channel. But anyway, no trade. Sorry, I got myself confused there. Aussie Singapore. Was that the minus 3? Yes, it was. Okay, so it's gone from bullish to bearish. Minus 3, and we want to just change that back because that wasn't minus 3. Okay, Aussie Swiss, Aussie Singapore. Dollar Singapore. Where are you? Here we go. Yeah, we have lost that, sadly. I lost the Euro, Aussie. Dollar Singapore is probably at the bottom. Yeah, we got positive OPRs, so plus 33, did I say? Yeah. No trade. 51%, 57% correlation. Bullish. Yeah, it might tap up there like we just thought. USD Swiss. The Swissy. Yeah. Okay, what we got? USD Swiss. Probably here somewhere. Plus 42. Not a lot of change. %77% correlation on this. So, hence, 77%. Whatever this number tells us, we've got a 3/4 chance of it going in the same direction. That's what that means. Okay, a 75% chance, I should say. So see, yen. USD yen. We've got a 67% correlation. Yen, bullish, plus 61. It's on the rise. No trade, because we need to see what it does here. And the Treasury are pretending they're going to buy, and then they don't buy, so that adjusts the price, hence these huge great big candles. Okay, what we've got next? Swiss yen. Swiss yen. Here we are. Swiss yen. 54% correlation, not great. Plus 26. plus 26. Okay, Swiss yen, Kiwi. Yeah. Have a look at our numbers. On the Kiwi, neutral, plus 1. 73% OPR correlation, relative OPR correlation, plus 1. So yes, it's going bullish, isn't it? Is it going to crack this line and go collect some liquidity? And then perhaps reverse, or perhaps go up to there like we thought? We don't know. We need to get some more info on that. Kiwi Swiss is here. And where are we on here? Kiwi Swiss. There we are, right at the bottom. Bearish plus 15 with a 54% correlation. Plus 15, no trade. Unfortunately, we lost Euro Aussie. Let's just have a look, because I did really like that. Euro Aussie, 37% short. We're just out of the numbers, but that's that. So that one will have to get moved down as a no trade. So look at gold and silver quickly. Gold and silver, yep. So gold is minus 22 with a 58% correlation. Silver, let's give them their relative tags. Silver is minus 29 with a 62%, so minus 29. Our trade's still in progress, look, currently at about 3/4 of a R. Pound New Zealand doesn't have the OPRs with us at this moment in time, so we'll park that one. Okay, that's the trade we've got running with only a 1.27. Now, it's a Gator trade. It's actually turned into a Gator trade on the 4 hour. It was a Gator trade on the 1 hour. This is why I took it. I'm just going to tell you. I don't recommend you take it, by the way. I'm just telling you this. This is a trendy kangaroo tail of sorts. Came down, collected liquidity. Didn't quite tap into that one, but that's okay. So, but it was also a Gator, and so was this one. That was a Gator signal with a change of character on the 1 hour. It bounced off the 1 hour MA, and then it printed quite a nice bullish candle. So I took it about there. We'll see. I'm not a massive fan of the risk-reward ratio at 1.27. I would much prefer 1.5, 1.6 minimum. But it's a good trade, I think. Anyway, that's my take on the world. Thank you for watching. Like I said, if you like this video, please just click the like button. Subscribe to the channel. It just helps me to know that you have appreciated some of the content. Anyway, have a great day, and as my mentor says, wish you happy trading. Take care. Bye now.